So hello guys, welcome to another video in old method. Today is the last video of old method because today is the last class we will read, that is class 9. So what is the drug substances we are taking under class 9 is, we are taking medicines from vegetable and animal substances and we are preparing by the procedure of trituration. Okay? And the fundamental rule under Metromedica pura is under agaricus, and agaricus is a fungus in the dry pine wood and it is a plant nosewood. Correct? So coming to the trituration part, what we will take here, we will take 2 parts by weight of medicinal substance and 99 part by weight of sugar of milk in centesimal scale and 9 parts of the sugar of milk by decimal scale. Correct? See, the only difference in 7, 8, 9 is 2:9 in the class 9, but there we are taking 1:99 or 1:9. Why we are taking 2 parts means, generally external will ask ki generally why you are taking 2 parts. Correct? So, as we are taking fresh drug substances, so chances of evaporations are more. So that's why some loss of evaporation chances there during trituration. That's why we are taking 2 parts of the drug substances. Next, after that we will take 1:9 or 1:99. Like trituration process we did in class 7 and class 8. And after 6x or 3c, we will prepare the jumping potency or fluxion potency to 8x or 4c by adding 50 water, 50 alcohol. Okay, this is the same thing for 7, 8 and 9. The only difference is 2:99 we are taking here or 2:9 we are taking here. So what are the examples? Under vegetable sources we are taking anacardium, agaricus, ileps, solanum. Okay, in animal source what we are using? Blatta orientalis, Feltauri, Felpicinum, Vulpis fel, Vulpis hippar, Vulpis pulmo. Nosers we are using. As AHP said to include some nosodes under, AHP included some nosodes under class 9. Actually nosodes are in class 8 also, but some are in class 9 also, like Anthraxinum, Carcinosin, Melandrium, Medorinum, Sorinum and Syphilinum. So now after reading all old method, generally under class 7, 8, 9 you will ask that why we are keeping 3 classes as we are doing trituration. No, why, what is the need of doing 3 classes? The need is, or the answer is, as the drug substances we are taken in class 7 is different, in class 8 is different, in class 9 is different. So the process is somewhat different because in class 7 and class 8 difference is there, that I told already in last video, where I said the differentiating points between class 7 and 8. For this video I told what is the difference between 7, 8 and 9. So what we are taking in class 7, we are taking insoluble solid drug substances. Correct? But in class 8, what we are taking? Liquid insoluble drug substances. And for class 9, what we are taking? We are taking fresh vegetable and animal drug substances. Correct? So, this is the old method preparation of the drug or Hahnemannian method of preparation of the drug. So, go through the Mandal, go through your textbook properly, read everything. If any doubt, ask in the comment section. We will reply to that. So till then, keep learning. Thank you.